Hi, today we drove over to Tampa to For the Performance to use their mainline hub dyno, and I'm working on my buddy Jim's Mustang. It's a twin turbo car. Jim and I met back in 2007, and as his program progressed and I started working with the Stunt Rocket, just kind of Jim and I got together and made some decisions on the car. Talented guy, he's fabricated his own turbo kit. He upgraded to a 6870 Precision, and there's a host of other parts involved, but we just made about 1,500 wheel, and we're ready to go to the track and test it.
So a little bit about the car. It's a 302 based Coyote engine from Joe with Fast Forward Racing Engines. But really the main component here that really changed everything for us was adding the Motec, having Jay come on board, having the backing of Real Street, and just teaching, learning, and showing us the value of this whole setup. Other people that have helped out is Plasma Man, Gearhead Performance, One Ethanol has been a big part of it, Vibrant, and Dusty from PTC.